What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the Z Fold 5 on deck, and this is my big productivity device that I started using in 2023 that's carrying me into 2024. Now, guys, there's a lot that I do on this device. I edit, I shoot videos, just do a lot of things, a lot of planning, and really get into the productivity on this device. Now is one more thing added to the bag of tricks that I could do with this device. I could actually do some live streaming, and we just gonna get straight into this one. Okay, guys, you see my Z Fold 5, big productive $1,700-$1,800 foldable device. So I want to use it as much as I can and get my bang for the buck. And shout out to the folks over at Emeet. Now, this product could take my Z Fold 5 to a whole nother level, guys. This is from a company called Emeet. Shout out to them. As you can see, they was red dot winners in 2023. This is called the Emeet StreamCam One, a wireless live streaming solution. So they got software for Android, iOS, and Windows where you can actually download the software and use this wireless camera to stream. And you can also have more than one. So you can have an A cam and a B cam from a device like a Z Fold 5 wirelessly. These are some of the features. Now you're getting 8 hours of battery life, HD streaming in 1080, pickup voice stability because they also come with detachable mics, which is very dope. You can operate on multiple networks, and you could connect via USB-C cable with a PC as a webcam. So this could be a webcam, a wireless cam that you got hooked to your Z Fold 5. This fills a lot of shoes. True wireless live streaming with no cable. The Emeet Stream app makes the live streaming easier than ever. Just one click, stream to multiple platforms in real time. And like I said, Android, iOS, and Windows. Let's open this up like so. So in the box, you present it with a nice little carrying case. Everything will be in this carrying case that you need, and that's dope because this is something that you might want to take on the road with you, or take on a vlog with you, or just be a portable streaming solution. Very easy to set up. You also get a manual just to explain the setup and installation. Nice nylon carrying case. Let's see what's inside. You take a look, very nice setup, guys. Here what you got is the camera, you have the microphone in their own little compartments. Nice clean setup, guys. Nice and neat. That's what you need. Nice and neat. Have everything in one place so you don't lose anything. So first, this is the camera that you're gonna get, 1080 web camera, and this is actually a Sony sensor, so the quality won't be super basic. You actually got a nice Sony sensor in this webcam, wireless cam. As you can see, you also have an adapter to screw right onto the top of a tripod, and on the top, this is where you will attach your wireless mic. Got an aux jack for another microphone. You got a type C to plug it into your computer if you want to, and you've got a micro SD card slot where you can record actual footage straight to the micro SD card, like if you just wanted to record and didn't want to stream. Now here's your microphone here, guys. Microphone definitely has a place where it mounts right on top of the camera, or this doubles as a clip. Now you can have the microphone on you in case you're going to be kind of far from the camera and you still want to get really good audio. You could clip the microphone to your shirt, or maybe if you're interviewing somebody, this how that goes. So now if you're going mobile with this and you outside, we got a little wind muff for the microphone to keep the background noise down, and we also got a nice quality USB-C to USB-C cable that comes with an adapter depending on what port you're trying to plug it into on your laptop. Now as you can see, I cut on the camera and it's in a pairing mode. You can also use the QR code on the back of this camera to download the Emeet Stream One app on your device. I've got the Emeet Stream One app open on my Z Fold 5, and I can just go to add camera. Okay guys, so this is just a little sample of the quality. They also have settings where you can put this in low latency and 1080p when you record, and now I'm using Emeet to record a video straight to my device. Normally we will be streaming with this, but I just wanted to show you guys the quality and what it's going to look like. So honestly guys, this Emeet Stream One wireless live streaming cam is definitely something for creative, something for a live streamer, something for somebody on a go. It can definitely make any cellular device like my Galaxy Z Fold 5 into a dope little live streaming station. Just a neat new way to capture content, especially if you get a couple of these and you need to capture a couple angles, like maybe a podcast or things of that nature on a budget. The 1080 quality is decent, and the little microphone actually sounds pretty good to me, guys. It's so many situations where you could utilize a camera like this with a little mic, podcasting, interviewing, creating your own content. It's still HD quality, guys. This could be a B cam, or if you're on the move, this could be an A cam. You could have multiple cams going connected to your smartphone device, using that as like a video mixer. And at the end of the day, you can plug it into your PC and use it as a webcam. So a very dope solution. Even though they market this specifically as a wireless live streaming solution, it's so much that you could do with this if you're creative and if you know what you're doing. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. I just wanted to show that to y'all, show y'all how I was even stepping up my Galaxy Z Fold 5 even more, being able to create content in different ways and use different tools. Just another tool in the toolbox. I'm out. Peace.